I heard something attacking my cat. No, I am pretty mad. I'm gonna get a knife. But this is no joke. I literally heard this. God, let me die. I already ran something the other day and almost broke my leg. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Dude, something got my cat. I swear to God, I heard it. I'm literally in the middle of like thousands and thousands of acres, rolling mountains and hills. Kitty, 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 kitty. 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 I am so afraid because I literally almost broke my leg the other day for real. Something came after me and it was big. I'm not joking at all. No. It's bruised through hell and back. Like, I could probably show you guys this. Let me get over here with this stump. Kitty, 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 kitty. Dude, that fucking me. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out because I just heard something over here. This is where it was. Oh my gosh. It was big too. It wasn't like a quiet little panther or something. There's a little campfire. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. But yeah, I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. This is literally Indian burial mounds and stuff up here. And I really just heard something like walking right behind me right here. right there. So if there's any EVPs in here, I didn't have the camera on because I'm trying to save my memory because it's almost full. But I just heard something walking by me. And whatever that was that ran up on me like the other day, I literally, no joke, almost broke my cat. My cat. I hear him. I hear him. I hear him. It's not. I hear my cat. Oh, I hear my cat crying. My cat crying. Okay. This is where I got chased. Hear my cat. My cat crying. There, my cat crying. I hear him. And I started to see something fucking big down there, and I just kept walking. Nope, it was just me. I just hear my cat crying down here. Oh my fucking gosh. Oh my fucking gosh. What the fuck is that? Kitty? Kitty? What is it? Kitty? Kitty? Kitty, what is it? Kitty? I don't even know if that's my cat. My cat could be inside for all I know. But it's some kind of cat. What the fuck? Kitty! Mr. Kitty? Is that you? Kitty. Kitty. What the fuck? Do I really want to go down here? Is it even my cat? For real, what is this? What is these cats? These panthers? These cougars? What the fuck are they? Kitty? Kitty! Is that a cat? Am I about to get killed by something? Oh, I'm so stupid. Is that you, Mr. Kitty? Kitty, 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 kitty. What the fuck is it? What the fuck is it? Kitty? Yeah, my cat wouldn't run from me, that's for sure. Mr. Kitty? Mr. Kitty? Mr. Kitty? What the fuck is this? What is it? Oh, there's something else down there too. What is that? That was big. What was it? I don't even know what all these creatures are. Are they coyotes? Oh my gosh, what was that? It was up there. Am I gonna die? I'm literally scared. I'm trying to get these freaking sticker bushes out of my way right now. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. What is it? What is that? What is it? 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 What is that? Gosh. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty? 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 It's so weird because the thing I seen walk in front of my camper was taller than my camper. And I see eyes that are as tall as this fucking tree down here. And was like long, skinny black. I don't believe in no Slender Man, something like that, but this motherfucker looked just like a Slender Man, or not a Slender Man, like a black. What is that? Kitty, where are you? Is that you, Kitty? Kitty. What is that creature right there? Dude, what is that? That is tall. That motherfucker's tall. Kitty. Kitty, kitty. Kitty. Dude, that's a tall tree. Look, there's my cat. Is that my cat? Or is that a creature? Hello? Creature? Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. 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 Kitty, 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 kitty. I don't know if that's my cat. Dude. I really don't know if it's my cat. Oh my gosh. Kitty, 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 kitty. Mr. Kitty? Mr. Kitty? Panther, tigers, leopards, coyotes. Mr. Kitty? Mr. Kitty? Come here. Is that you? Kitty, 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 kitty. Mr. Kitty? Mr. Kitty? Yeah. Only me, the craziest person I know, would be out here in the woods by myself with creatures everywhere. Only me. There's a creature up there. There's a creature down there. I don't know what they are. I don't even know if this is my damn cat. Because we are literally camping here. And I don't know, my cat's our friend's house. I don't know if the cat is in the camper. I don't know if he's in my vehicle. Because my window is down. I don't know if what's down here. But there's creatures down here. And I'm not about to walk down here. Or am I? I don't even know what I'm about to do. I am not on drugs. But I'm trying to stand on this tree and balance myself this whole time. I'm freezing to death. Please, no more eyes. No more eyes. No more eyes. No more eyes. Mr. Kitty? Mr. Kitty? Kitty, 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 kitty? Kitty, kitty? Okay. Do I really want to go in these woods by myself? I'm about to get caught up in some shit I don't really want to get caught up in. Mr. Kitty? Mr. Kitty? Kitty, 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 kitty? Kitty, 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 kitty? Kitty, 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 kitty? Mr. Kitty? Yeah, this might not even be my cat. I might be a total idiot now. Mr. Kitty? Kitty, 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 kitty. What if that creature is my cat and something has got it treed? It's definitely not a dog because it's not barking. My cat is straight from the city, literally. This creature could have my cat treed. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Hello? Hello? Oh fuck. I went straight in that tree. What the fuck? Dude, I can't hear.